Hello. Have you ever wondered what everything around us is made up of? From the tiniest speck of dust to the biggest mountain. Everything is composed of tiny building blocks called elements. Elements are pure substances that cannot be broken down into simpler substances. There are about 118 known elements, and each one has its own unique properties. Some example of elements include hydrogen, oxygen, carbon, and iron. Even though elements are pure substances, they are made up of even smaller particles called atoms. Each element has its own unique type of atom. When atoms of different elements combine, they form compounds. Compounds are structures made from different types of atoms. Water, for example, is a compound made of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Scientists have organized all the known elements into a chart called the periodic table of elements. The periodic table helps us understand the relationship between the different elements. Compounds often have different properties than the elements that they're made of. For example, sodium is a silvery metal, and chlorine is a greenish-yellow gas. But when they combine, they form sodium chloride, which is the common table salt that you sprinkle on your popcorn. There are millions of different compounds, and they make up everything we see around us, from the air we breathe to the food we eat. So the next time you look at the world around you, remember that it's all made up of elements and compounds. These tiny building blocks combine in countless ways to create the amazing diversity of life and the universe. The world of chemistry is full of wonder and discovery. Keep exploring and learning about the amazing building blocks that make up our world. Thank you for watching.